Dinosaur train. Dinosaur train. Once upon a time there was a mom. Her name was Miss. Dinosaur train. Once upon a time there was a mom. Her name was Mrs. Pteranodon. Sitting on her nest she heard a scratching and said,
"Oh boy, my
Pteranodon. Sitting on her nest she heard a scratching and said,
oh boy, my eggs are hatching.
one by one her kids pop free. Baby Pteranodons, 1, 2, 3.
I'll name you Tiny, Shiny, and Dawn.
But Tiny said,
Wait, there's one more, Mom.
last little baby was a different size.
Shiny and Dawn.
But Tiny said,
Wait, there's one more, Mom.
last little baby was a different size. With teeth and a tail and big green eyes. It didn't look anything like the rest.
What am I doing in a Pteranodon nest?
But dear old Mrs. Pteranodon
Oh,
said,
this is your family, and I'm your mom. You may be different, but we're all creatures. All dinosaurs have different features. Come on, buddy, we'll take a vacation. I'll get us a ticket at Pteranodon Station. May be different, but we're all creatures. All dinosaurs have different features. Come on, buddy, we'll take a vacation. I'll get us a ticket at Pteranodon Station. We'll travel the world in sunshine and rain and meet all the species on the
Dinosaur train!
Dinosaur train.
Dinosaur train!
Dinosaur train.
We're gonna ride
Ride.
the dinosaur train. Dinosaur train! Once upon a time there was a mom. Her name was Mrs. Pteranodon. Sitting on her nest she heard a scratching and said,